Okay guys, today we have another Minecraft Redstone tutorial. So first what we're gonna do is let me adjust my fog here for a second. Alright, so first we're going to do some of the slightly more advanced gates. So the first one is an XOR gate, and it looks like this. And there's a torch here. No, torch there, there, and I believe there are two torches here. And so we put a lever here, lever there, connect those two with that, connect those, and actually these go one back, like that. And then there are two torches here, and the power comes up onto there, connect those, and the output is there. Alright, so basically an XOR gate is the output is on whenever these two switches are different. So since they're both the same, it's off, and as soon as I turn it one on and one off, the output is on. As soon as I turn the other one on, they're both on, but the output is off, and it works the same way. To make this so that as long as they're both in the same position, they're on, all you have to do is add an inverter to the end of it. And so now you see that they're both in the same position, and let's put a piston here so it's easy to see. Whoops. There we go. So they're both in the same position and it's on. As soon as they're different, power goes off. Same again, goes back on. This is like the most uncompact version of it. There are vertical designs and smaller versions, but we'll just stick with the basic for now. Another one is here. Hold on, let me get some repeaters. Is a clock. There are different kinds. We can just do a simple clock here. So we can do that. And we'll adjust these a little bit. This is probably the easiest method, is to use repeaters. So we'll just start it up. And it'll go around in circles, and basically to whatever time you put this at. So if you put this slower, not slower, you put less clicks, it will go around faster. So now it's a fast clock. And then the more clicks you have, the slower it goes. So we can stop it. And before repeaters, what you had to do is you would have to do something like this. Let's see, put that there, 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 and then we can just loop this around. Actually, no. With this method, since each one of these blocks creates a 1 tick delay, for it to work properly, you have to have at least a 5 clock, which means 5 blocks, which would result in a 5 tick delay. So there you go. That's the old method before repeaters. And another really helpful thing if you're making complex redstone contraptions is vertical wiring. So normally you can't place redstone on the side of a block, so what you have to do is oops, build my way up here. Put blocks on top of torches. So we'll just do one more. We'll do a piston here, and then we can build our way back down. So now, when I alter the input down here, it will affect it up there, which turns this torch on, turn that one on, turns this one off, turns that one back on, which results in that piston turning on. Turn it off, goes back off. This is actually a really cool method of getting it back down, because like normally you would just have to like stair step the redstone wire back down, and that takes up a lot of room. But if you have a block here, redstone on top, and then put a block here with one space, and you put a torch here, and then you go up. Let's see, one more, so you can put redstone there, and we'll put a block there, and then go down another one, put a torch here, and a, yeah, oops, oh shit, I didn't mean to do that. Let's put a lever up here, and we'll do a piston down here, so that when we turn the power on up there, it will affect it down there. So if you watch, flipped it up here, because basically what happens is it turns this torch off, and this torch provides power to any block beneath it. And since technically redstone is a full block, it's just not displayed as that. Redstone is the block beneath it, so it powers that, which turns that torch off, which turns that back off and turns it off. So it's very simple. Let's see, what else is there? Well, I think for this episode that's about it. Next time I'll show you some uses for it and different contraptions that I've made. So I'll see you next time.